Hi everyone, I'm Ben Davis and this is Tommy, and I'm here to talk to you today about What's That in Dog Years, which is this book, my latest book. And I've got Tommy with me. See, he's already, as you can see, having a lie down, because he was inspiration for the main character Gizmo in many ways, because Tommy, I'll cover his ears, he's getting on a bit now, and you know, he's going a bit grey and getting a little bit old. I don't know why I'm covering his ears, because he's mostly deaf now. So he was inspiration for Gizmo, because What's That in Dog Years is about a boy called George, and he comes up with a bucket list for his dog Gizmo, and it's about working through that. So I thought a good idea for this video would be for me and Tommy to work our way through George and Gizmo's bucket list and see how we get on. So let's start off right now. Nice. Done. Here's the problem. We live in the Midlands, which is far away from any beaches, and he gets car sick and he barks a lot for a long journey like this. So we've come here, which is a pretend beach. That'll be easier. Enjoy. This might be a problem, because you see, historically Tommy has a bit of a problem with tents. Tommy!
What's he done, baby? What's he done? What's he done to your tent?
Right, so we're at the big hill. There's Tommy there. I'm holding this bag of poo. I'm wondering why I've got to drag that to the top of the hill. And Tommy's probably wondering why he's got to drag a bag of poo to the top of the hill as well. Right, let's do it. Here we go. Come on, we're going. We're going. Come on. We can do this. Hold on a minute, I've got to stop. Yep, we made it. Are you sure, Big?
Yes. Shall I put the sea going back?
Relax. Relax. Oh, relax too much. Okay, thanks, bye. Tommy, pack your bags. I got you a job on the telly. Yes, cha-ching! So that's that. Thank you so much for watching our bucket list. Now, What's That in Dog Years? George and Gizmo find it a bit more difficult than I did, but then again, George puts a lot more effort in than I did. But really, one of the points of the story is that if you have a doggo friend yourself, that you should, you know, make the most of them while they're still here and give them a big hug and give them all the attention you can. I'd do that, but Tommy just walked off already, so never mind.